This is how I make 50 meta ads in minutes. Not 5, not 10, 50. And no, I'm not sitting in Canva for 6 hours. I'm not texting a designer at midnight. And I'm definitely not waiting 2 weeks for revisions. If you're running meta ads and you feel like your results are random, or your costs are creeping up, or your winning ads just die out of nowhere, there's a good chance the issue isn't your targeting. It's your creative volume. In this video, we're diving into how to create 50 plus meta ad creatives in minutes using AI. By the end of this, you'll understand why Meta rewards creative volume, how to structure high velocity testing, and exactly how to generate dozens of variations from one product. Let's get into it. Why most meta ads fail. Let's be honest, most brands launch meta ads like this. They create one main ad, maybe 2 variations. They tweak the headline once or twice. Then they sit back and hope it works. When it doesn't, they say meta ads don't work anymore. But here's the reality. Meta doesn't reward your best idea. It rewards your testing speed. The algorithm needs data, and the fastest way to get data is to test more creatives. The brands that win on Meta aren't guessing better. They're just testing more. Why Meta rewards creative volume. Have you ever noticed how a winning ad just stops working? It was crushing it last week. Now performance tanks. That's creative fatigue. Your audience has seen it too many times. Click-through drops, engagement drops, CPM goes up, cost per result goes up, and now you're scrambling. The solution isn't to fix the ad. It's to have more ads ready. Meta's system optimizes toward engagement and conversions, but it can't optimize what doesn't exist. If you give it 3 creatives, it has 3 chances to find a winner. If you give it 50 creatives, it has 50 chances. More hooks, more angles, more visuals, more formats, and more signals. Volume equals performance because volume equals data. The faster you test, the faster you find winners. The old way. Designers, delays, bottlenecks. Traditionally, creating 50 ads is painful. You'd need a copywriter for hooks, a designer for layouts, someone to resize everything, someone to format for 1:1, 4:5, and 9:16 aspect ratios. Back and forth revisions, version control chaos. Even if each ad only takes 20 minutes, that's over 16 hours of work. And realistically, it's way more than that. So most brands don't test enough. Not because they don't want to, just because it's too slow. That's where this new workflow changes everything. The new workflow. High volume, creative in minutes. Instead of manually building every variation, I start with one product and let AI generate structured variations for me. This is where Creatify comes in, specifically the URL to ad maker and the asset generator. So let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1, start with one product. Everything starts with a single product. One landing page, one offer, and one core promise. Now, normally from that one product, you'd maybe create one image ad, one testimonial style ad, one discount ad, and that's it. Instead, we're gonna break it into angle. Different hooks, different benefit focus, different emotional triggers. This is where the URL to ad maker helps. You paste your product URL, and it pulls product images, descriptions, core features, key benefits, and it generates ad angles automatically. So instead of staring at a blank page wondering what to write, you now have structured starting points. That alone saves hours. So let's go ahead and test it now. I just went on to Gymshark's website here, and let's go ahead and find a product that we can go ahead and create an ad for. It looks like they got this new running elite waterproof jacket in the sour pink, so that looks like fun. Let's go ahead and copy the URL, and we'll come over here to Creatify. Now, if you want to get started with Creatify, we've got a link for you down in the description below where you can get 10 free credits to try out the platform for yourself. Now, once we're here inside of Creatify, we can come here to AI video ads. From here, all we need to do is go ahead and paste in that link that we just copied from Gymshark in this example, and we'll go ahead and click on Analyze URL and let the platform do the work. All right, so it looks like it went ahead and pulled in the information. So you can see we've got the product name, we've got the product description here, and we've got some different assets here. So let's go ahead and select a couple of these to be used, and we'll go ahead and click Next. Next, we have some video settings here to go ahead and choose from. So we can choose our aspect ratio, either vertical 9:16, horizontal 16:9, or square 1:1. We'll choose the vertical 9:16 and we'll choose 15 seconds, and then we'll choose our target audience. We've got some suggestions down here below, and we'll just choose women's road runners and click Next. All right, and now we can go ahead and choose or create a script. So if you want to add your own script, you can go ahead and click on Use Your Own Script and paste it in right here, or just type it right here. Or you can go ahead and choose a script from AI. So there's influencer credibility, the weather protection, race day feel, or problem solution. Let's go ahead and select the problem solution, and then we can change the tone over here. Let's go ahead and try out this engaging tone here, and it'll go ahead and change the script in real time. Now, if you're not happy with any of these options here, you can go ahead and click on generate more scripts for more options. We'll go ahead and choose this one for now and click next. Now, from here, we can go ahead and select an AI avatar. So for this, let's go ahead and scroll down and find one that we think will be a good fit for this. So let's come up here and let's go ahead and we'll go filter. We'll go ahead and select a female. And now let's go ahead and choose one here. Maybe we'll choose Marissa. She's kind of wearing some workout gear here. So we'll go ahead and select that and we'll go ahead and click next and let Creatify do the work here. Step 2, generate multiple angles automatically. Okay, now here's where it gets super interesting. So instead of just thinking, what's my one best hook? You can start thinking, what are 20 possible hooks? Different types like pain-based hooks, curiosity hooks, outcome-driven hooks, problem awareness hooks, direct benefit hooks, offer-driven hooks. So for example, instead of just best skincare cream for dry skin, you get variations like tired of flaky skin by 3 p.m. This cream replaced my entire skincare routine. Why dermatologists are switching to this formula. Each one speaks to a slightly different person. That's the point. You don't know which angle wins until you test it. The URL to ad maker helps generate those angles, but this is where the real scale happens. All right, so it looks like it went ahead and generated us a ton of different options here. 14 videos have been generated. We can select one or more to render. So we can see that they've got some different names for these ones here. Do note, until you render them, the lip syncing is not going to be perfect, so just keep that in mind when you're testing this out on your own.
Wind is not a reason to skip your run anymore. Meet the Gymshark Running Elite Jacket, built to block the gusts while its mesh panels keep your body breathing easy. Fit, premium fabric made specifically for running.
Okay, that's a good option. And there's a couple seconds left, but I think we got the gist of that one. Let's go ahead and check out this product.
Wind is not a reason to skip your run anymore. Meet the Gymshark Running Elite Jacket, built to block the gusts while its mesh panels keep your body breathing easy. A regular fit, premium fabric made specific.
Okay, I think since we only selected one asset there, that's the only reason it's showing that. Go ahead and try this dynamic avatar.
It's not a reason to skip your run anymore. Jacket, built to block the gusts while its mesh panels keep your body breathing easy. A regular fit, premium fabric made specifically for running. No more excuses to skip those outdoor miles. Head to Gymshark and order yours right now.
Okay, let's go ahead and start with that one. Now, if we're not happy with it, we can go ahead and click on the edit button right here and open up the editor. And this brings us into like a more traditional video editor that you might be familiar with. And we've got a ton of different tools in here. You can go ahead and edit the script with some text-based editing there. You can change avatars. You can go ahead and edit the captions, add any other assets or elements or text on top of it. But once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and just click render, and it'll go ahead and get this rendered for you. All right, so it looks like our ad is done here. So let's go ahead and click on watch.
Wind is not a reason to skip your run anymore. Meet the Gymshark Running Elite Jacket, built to block the gusts while its mesh panels keep your body breathing easy. A regular fit, premium fabric made specifically for running. No more excuses to skip those outdoor miles. Head to Gymshark and order yours right now.
Now, another really cool thing about Creatify AI is that we can go ahead and launch this ad to Meta, TikTok, or AppLovin directly from Creatify. So we don't need another platform or dashboard to go ahead and do that. We can do it all right here on Creatify. Step 3, use the asset generator to create 50 plus variations. Okay, now we take those angles and move into the asset generator. This is where the creative volume really takes off. So instead of manually designing every single ad, you can generate batches of visuals instantly using AI. The tool lets you create up to 10 images at once, so you can spin up multiple creative directions in a single click. Here's how it works in practice. You take one of the angles that we generated earlier, maybe a pain point hook or a curiosity hook, and you turn it into a quick prompt. Something like minimalist product ad showing hydration benefit with a bold headline. Or something like problem solution style apparel ad with a clean background and strong benefit text. You drop that into the asset generator, and instead of waiting for the first design draft, the AI produces 4 variations immediately. Different compositions, CPMs, different lighting, different visual styles. You review them side by side and pick the one that feels strongest. But here's the key. You're not locked into one AI model. Inside the asset generator, you can switch between multiple image models instantly. Maybe you try Flux for one prompt, Dolly 3 for another, or Imagen for a different visual style. Each model interprets prompts slightly differently, which means more variation without more work. And while one batch is generating, you can queue another one with a different model. So while Flux is rendering images for your first hook, you can already start generating visuals for the next angle using another model. Everything runs in parallel. No waiting, no stopping your workflow. Now suddenly you're not producing one creative. You're producing dozens. 10 images for one hook, 10 more for another angle, 10 more for testing a different visual style. That's how you move from one idea to 30 or 40 static creatives in minutes. But here's where it gets even more powerful. If you find an image you really like, you can turn it into a video with one click. No exporting, no switching tools. You simply take that winning image and generate a motion version instantly. Now that same concept can run as a static ad and a video ad. And once your assets are generated, you can move directly into the built-in editor to turn them into finished ad creatives. Add text, add hooks, add your call to action, export and test. So instead of slowly designing ads one by one, you're doing what performance marketers actually need to do. Rapid creative texting. Multiple hooks, multiple visuals, multiple formats, all generated in batches. That's the difference between producing a few ads and producing 50 plus variations fast enough to actually feed the algorithm. All right, now let's go ahead and check out that asset generator. So we'll come home here and we'll go to the asset generator. All right, so here we can go ahead and please describe our creative ideas. We can go image to image or text to image. We can do video or audio. And here we go ahead and choose the different model here as well. We can choose the aspect ratio as well as the output. So we'll go ahead and choose 2 outputs here and we'll go ahead and describe our idea. All right, so I have a prompt here that I'm gonna go ahead and paste in. It says, a stylish woman wearing mid-wash straight leg jeans, walking through a sunny city street, modern lifestyle fashion photography, natural lighting, shallow depth of field, cinematic look, shot on a 50mm lens, realistic skin texture, Instagram fashion brand aesthetic. And we have a reference image here that'll go ahead and drop in as well. And let's go ahead and let it work. So for reference, this was the reference image that I chose right here. And let's go ahead and see what it comes up with. Okay, here we go. So it looks like it went ahead and created our image here. So let's go ahead and check these out. Go ahead and open that up full screen. And I mean, that looks pretty legit, especially based on the reference image here. Go look at the other one. That's another nice option here. And again, I only chose 2 outputs here, but you can choose more than that, or you can go ahead and regenerate. And honestly, these look really good. So I'm pretty happy with that. Why static ads still matter on Meta? A lot of people assume that video is everything. Video is powerful, but static ads still perform extremely well on Meta. In many ad accounts, static ads cost less to produce, test faster, scale easier, refresh quicker. So when you can produce dozens of high quality static variations quickly, you unlock something powerful. Testing without hesitation, you're no longer emotionally attached to one design, and you're just running experiments. Step 4, export and organize for meta testing. Once your 50 creatives are generated, you just export them. Now here's the key. Don't just dump them into one campaign randomly. Structure your test. For example, campaign 1, 10 pain-based hooks. Campaign 2, 10 curiosity-based hooks. Campaign 3, 10 offer-focused creatives. Campaign 4, 10 social proof creatives. Campaign 5, 10 benefit-driven creatives. See, now you're not guessing. You're testing categories. Within a few days, you'll see which hook style works best, which layout style performs, which messaging angle drives conversions, and then you double down. How to find winners faster. Now here's something that most people get wrong. They let ads run too long, or they kill them too fast. Instead, look for early indicators. Click-through rate, thumb stop behavior, early conversion signals. If an ad gets 0 engagement quickly, then move on. If an ad shows promise, iterate it. Take that winning hook and create 10 more variations around it. This is where having the asset generator is huge. You're not redesigning from scratch. You're iterating in minutes. When to refresh creatives. If performance drops, don't panic. Check frequency. If frequency climbs and performance drops, it's time for new creative. But now, instead of scrambling, you already have 20 unused variations, or the ability to generate 30 more in minutes. Creative fatigue stops being scary when introduction isn't slow. Why this changes the game. Think about it. If it takes you 2 weeks to make new ads, you hesitate to test. If it takes 10 minutes, you test constantly. The brands scaling on Meta aren't magical. They just remove creative bottlenecks. Meta rewards volume. Volume gives data. Data finds winners. Winners scale. That's the loop. So the full workflow looks like this. Start with one product. Use the URL to add to generate multiple angles. Feed those angles into the asset generator. Create 50 plus static variations. Launch structured tests in Meta. Kill losers fast. Iterate winners. Repeat. That's how you move from guessing to systematic scaling. You don't need a massive team to test like a big brand. You don't need weeks of production time. You just need structured variation and speed. So if you want to try this yourself, you can get 10 free credits to test Creatify. The sign up link is down below. Run one product through it, generate 30 or 50 creatives. Launch them in Meta and watch how much faster you get clarity. If this helped you out, let me know down in the comments what you're testing right now, and I'll go ahead and see you in the next one.